This is Chris from Total Parts Plus 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2016 Mitsubishi Triton GLX dual cab ute, stock reference number 4073. The shape runs from the 4th month 2015 and is the current shape. It has a 4N15 2.4 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic 4-wheel drive transmission. 4N15 2.4 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. This vehicle has been in a rollover. It's fitted with factory 16-inch alloy mags. The left front has a good tyre. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left-hand tail light. Tailgate appears to have one dent. It's got a factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom and neck. Right power door mirror. Driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a black vinyl center console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, factory single stack CD player, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster. Vehicle's done 112,000 kilometers, and a tidy vinyl 3-spoke steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.